position, we're fighting. Now what we're gonna do now is he's gonna give me he's like, fuck you, right in there. That's what his goal is, to give me some love right there. So we're gonna keep going with the same concepts, but this time we're going out and then in. So we're doing a double type of a block that we haven't done yet. So far, we've only taught the concept of going out, staying out, or in and going in. Now we have done the Nagare, we've gone side to side, but out and in means you're still maintaining the same position. I know it's confusing right now, but you'll get it in a second. So as he comes in, that's out. Now as I slice, I'm stabbing into the neck, because I want to get in position to do it Osutogurai. So you see what I mean? So I'm stabbing in here, and as I rip, Osutogurai taking him down. Once he's in here, I post the neck, rip out, and then come in this way. Okay? So come up. He comes in, out, turn it in, stab it into the throat. So this is supposed to go right into the throat. But we're coming to this side here, a post. I'm going to get in position, sweep, take down, rip out, gut cavity, and come down. Okay? Alright, one more time, this time I'll just get fluid. Here he comes.